Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best hedge trimmers that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a homeowner or a gardening enthusiast, finding the right hedge trimmer can make all the difference in maintaining your yard. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Vari Cordless Hedge Trimmer, a versatile 2-in-1 tool that combines a hedge trimmer and a lawn mower. With its powerful 600-watt motor and dual high-capacity batteries, this trimmer offers ultra-long battery life and reliable performance for extended gardening sessions. Its double-sided carbon steel blades are designed for sharp and efficient cuts, while the multi-angle adjustable blade ensures you can tackle various trimming tasks with precision. The included toolbox makes storage and transport a breeze, adding a touch of convenience for users on the go. In terms of design, the Vari Hedge Trimmer excels with its ergonomic, lightweight build and non-slip, shock-absorbing grip. The flexible skate wheels allow for smooth maneuverability, making it ideal for one-handed operation, even during prolonged use. Safety features like blade guards and anti-touch buttons add a layer of protection, while the low-noise motor ensures quieter operation, perfect for residential areas. While this trimmer is a solid all-rounder, the shorter 8.66-inch blade might not suit users with larger hedge trimming needs. However, at $56.99, it delivers excellent value for casual gardeners seeking a portable, efficient, and budget-friendly solution, a great option for smaller yards and light-duty tasks. At number 3, we have the Fiskars 23-inch Hedge Shears, a manual option that combines simplicity with cutting-edge technology. These garden shears feature Fiskars' Power Gear 2 mechanism, which multiplies your cutting leverage, making it easier to tackle branches and shrubs with less effort. The hardened, precision-ground blades ensure long-lasting sharpness and durability, while the low-friction blade coating reduces gumming and improves resistance to rust. For those who prefer manual tools, this is an excellent alternative to electric or gas-powered hedge trimmers. The design is lightweight but robust, with shock-absorbing bumpers to reduce strain on your hands and wrists during operation. The soft grip handles provide added comfort and control, making it a pleasure to use for extended pruning sessions. With its ambidextrous design and compact size, the Fiskars Hedge Shears are well-suited for both casual gardeners and seasoned professionals looking for a reliable manual tool. Priced at just $31, this is the most budget-friendly option on our list. Its lack of motorized components means it's not ideal for tackling larger hedges or thicker branches, but for precision trimming and shaping, it does the job beautifully. If you want a reliable manual option that won't break the bank, this is it. Taking the runner-up position at number 2 is the Works WG261 22-inch cordless hedge trimmer, a lightweight yet powerful tool that offers excellent versatility and convenience. With its 22-inch dual-action blade, this trimmer delivers clean, precise cuts on both the forward and backward strokes, ensuring a smooth finish. The included battery and charger mean you're ready to go right out of the box, and the Works PowerShare system lets you use the same battery across over 75 compatible tools. Great for users who already own Works products. In terms of design, the WG261 stands out with its ergonomic D-grip handle, which allows for comfortable operation from any angle. The lightweight construction, just 5.5 pounds, makes it easy to maneuver, while the overmold grips absorb vibrations for reduced fatigue. It's also cordless, freeing you from the limitations of a power outlet or extension cord. The 3/4-inch blade gap is perfect for trimming medium-thickness branches and shaping hedges. At $89.99, this hedge trimmer strikes a balance between affordability and performance, making it ideal for homeowners with medium to large yards. While it may lack the raw power of higher-end models, its versatility and ease of use make it a fantastic choice for most gardening needs. Finally, at the top spot, number 1, we have the DeWalt 20V Max Cordless Hedge Trimmer, DCHT820B, a premium option designed for serious gardeners and professionals alike. This powerhouse of a tool features a high-output motor capable of cutting branches up to 3/4 inch thick, paired with a 22-inch laser-cut hook-tooth blade for maximum precision and durability. Part of DeWalt's 20V Max system, this trimmer is compatible with a range of tools, making it a versatile addition to your collection. Note that this is the tool-only version, so you'll need to purchase the battery and charger separately. When it comes to design and performance, DeWalt delivers with a compact and lightweight build that ensures exceptional maneuverability despite its robust capabilities. Weighing in at 8.8 pounds, it's heavier than some competitors but offers unmatched power and cutting efficiency. For larger hedges and thicker branches, the cordless design provides freedom of movement, while the ergonomic handle ensures comfort during long sessions. Priced at $226.34, this hedge trimmer is a significant investment, but worth every penny for those seeking top-tier performance. If you have a large yard or need a tool for professional landscaping, the DeWalt DCH T820B is simply the best in its class, a true workhorse for demanding tasks. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you found this review helpful, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions about these products or need recommendations, feel free to leave a comment down below. I'll do my best to get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.